scam trial. If you read all of the legal pundits, all of the legal scholars today, there's not one that I see that said this is a case that should be brought or tried. It's a scam. It's a political witch hunt.
And while President Trump may see it that way, his hush money trial, which started today in New York, is very real in prosecutors' eyes. Jury selection began this afternoon in the first of a series of criminal trials he's facing.
Trump allegedly covered up an affair by paying off former adult film star Stormy Daniels just before the 2016 election. And prosecutors say Trump falsified business records as a part of that alleged cover-up. He pleaded, though, not guilty a year ago to 34 counts in the case. Jury selection could be its own challenge. We have more on that in a moment. But if Trump is convicted and ends up in prison, could he still be president if reelected this fall? We spoke to a UNM legal expert who says the answer is absolutely yes.
The Constitution is very clear. It's about location of birth, being born in the United States. It's about age, being 35. And those are the two requisite rules. They kept Alexander Hamilton off the ballot for the presidency because he wasn't born in the United States.
Now, today, the judge in the case excused about 50 jurors because they said they could not be unbiased. Professor Kastenberg says jury selection could take some extra work because it is, after all, a very high-profile case. But he says in some ways the jurors will be on trial as well, in the public eye at least.
It doesn't require a juror to not know who the individual was or not know who the crimes were. What that means is that the person cannot have prejudged the case, cannot begin their deliberations either with the other jurors or in their mind.
So another hypothetical that some people have asked, along with many other questions in all of this, if a jury would convict President Trump, could he just pardon himself if he's reelected?
Yeah, the answer we found out is not in a state case like this one happening in New York. There in New York, there's only one person who could pardon him there.
Trump cannot pardon himself for the conviction under state crime, which is what he's facing in New York. He has no power to do that. Only the governor of New York does.
Now, many believe that jury selection could take all week, possibly 2 entire weeks, and the trial itself is expected to last between 6 and 8 weeks total.
And that's just this trial. We also have, of course, the election interference,
Georgia.
the documents case, and then, the Georgia case as well. So lots to